Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Placement Tech. I am Priyal Gupta and in this video we discuss about performance analysis of algorithm. Let's start our topic performance analysis. Performance of an algorithm means predicting the resources which are required to the algorithm to perform its task. That means we have multiple algorithms to solve a problem. We need to select a suitable algorithm to solve that problem. We compare algorithms with each other which are solving the same problem to select the best algorithm. To compare logarithm, we use a set of parameters or set of elements like memory required by that logarithm, the execution speed of that logarithm, easy to understand, easy to implement, etc. Generally, the performance of a logarithm depends on the following elements. First, whether that logarithm is providing the exact solution for the problem or not, whether it is easy to understand or not, whether it is easy to implement or not, how much space it requires to solve the problem, how much time it takes to solve the problem. Now, time complexity. Every logarithm requires some amount of computer time to execute its instruction to perform the task. The computer time required is called time complexity. The time complexity of a logarithm is the total amount of time required by a logarithm to complete its execution. Generally, the running time of a logarithm depends upon the following condition: whether it is running on a single processor machine or multi-processor machine, whether it is a 32-bit machine or 64-bit machine, read and write speed of the machine, the amount of time required by a logarithm to perform arithmetic operation, logical operation, return value and assignment operator, etc. and input data. Now constant time complexity. If any program requires a fixed amount of time for all input values, then its time complexity now requires 1 unit of time to calculate a plus b and 1 unit of time to return the value. That means totally it takes 2 units of time to complete its execution, and it does not change based on the input values of a and b. That means of all input values it requires the same amount of time, 2 units. Next, linear time complexity. If the amount of time required by an algorithm is increased with the increase of input value, then that time complexity is said to be linear time complexity. Now we see example for better understanding. In this example, cost is the amount of computer time required for a single operation in each line, and repetition is the amount of computer time required by each operation for all its repetition. Total is the amount of computer time required by each operation to execute. So in this code, it requires 4n plus 4 unit of computer time to complete the task. Here the exact time is not fixed and it changes based on the n values. If we increase the n value, then the time required also increase linearly. Then it is called linear time complexity. Now space complexity. When we design an algorithm to solve a problem, it needs some computer memory to complete its execution. For any logarithm, memory is required for following purpose: that to store program instruction, to store constant values, to store variable values, and for few other things like function call, jumping statements, etc. Total amount of computer memory required by a logarithm to complete its execution is called as space complexity of that logarithm. Generally, when a program is under execution, It uses the computer memory for three reasons. First, instruction space. It is the amount of memory used to store compiled version of instruction. Second, environmental stack. It is the amount of memory used to store information of partially executed function at the time of function call. Third, data space. It is the amount of memory used to store all the variables and the constants. Now next, constant space complexity. If any logarithm require a fixed amount of space for all input values, then that space complexity is said to be constant space complexity. In this example, it requires 2 bytes of memory to store variable a, and another 2 bytes of memory is used for return value. That means totally it requires 4 bits of memory to complete its execution. And this 4 byte for memory is fixed for input value of a. The space complexity is said to be constant. Now linear space complexity. If the amount of space required by a logarithm is increased with the increase of input value, then that space complexity is said to be linear. Now we see example. In this example, it requires n into 2 bytes of memory to store array variable, 2 bytes of memory for integer parameter n, and 4 bits of memory for local integer variables sum and I, 2 bits of memory for return value. That means totally it requires 2n plus 8 bits of memory to complete its execution. Here the total amount of memory required depend on the value of n. As n value increase, the space required also increase proportionally. This type of space complexity is said to be linear. Thank you guys for watching our video, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.